Can I tell you something? You'll be successful if you are a self-starter, goal-oriented, resilient, team player, and adaptable. So in 2025, you don't need a boss, a degree, or an office to make money. All you need is an AI, a phone, or just a laptop. Yes, my friend, people all over the world are making $100 or even more a single day using simple AI tools that handles writing, video editing, designing, and even talking. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know which tools pays and how to use them smartly. So in today's video, I will walk you through 10 powerful AI tools that can help you to generate at least $100 a day or even more if you use them smartly. So stay with me till the end of this video because number 10, most people don't talk about it, but it pays very well. Welcome to Online Money Tech. I'm your friend Mosewa Mkota. This platform we talk about practical ways to make money online, AI tools, and mostly side hustles that actually works. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on notification bell because I drop new videos every week to help you build your online income. So without further ado, let's dive in. Today's topic about 10 AI tools that can help you to make up to $100 a day if you use them smartly. Now let's start with the king, ChatGPT. This tool can write anything from blog posts, YouTube scripts, business emails, ebooks, and social media posts. And you can monetize these skills very fast. How can you earn with ChatGPT? You can offer freelance writing services on freelance.com, Upwork, and Fiverr. There are clients who needs 50 AI generated content. So you can offer those services, then earn money as fast as possible. Now with ChatGPT, you can create ebooks and create on Amazon KDP. I think next time I will make a video on how to create these ebooks and then sell them on Amazon KDP. Then use ChatGPT to start a content agency. A day you can earn from $25 to $100 depending on the articles and scripts that you deliver. Now here's the tip to succeed. Learn to write prompts properly. The better your prompts, the more creative and valuable outputs. The second AI tool that you can make money with is called copy.ai. Copy.ai is a tool built for creating catchy captions and add content in seconds. This tool is perfect for social media managers, influencers, and freelancers. So you can earn with the copy.ai by creating social media pages. You can create content calendars and charge for monthly retainers. Now to succeed, offer AI content plans as a premium service because people love anything with AI right now. Another AI tool that can make you money online in 2025 is called Jasper AI. Jasper is built for marketing and advertising content. You can use Jasper to write ad copies, product descriptions, and social media captions that converts. Someone say, how can I make money with Jasper AI? You can make money with Jasper AI by working with small businesses that needs daily content. Or even you can open your stunning website and offer marketing and copywriting services online. And you can earn up to $100 per day if you can manage several clients. To succeed with Jasper AI, first learn to optimize Jasper outputs with clear brand tone instructions. That's what top freelancers do. Another AI tool that can help you to make money online in 2025 is Magic Studio. If you think design is hard, Canva make it simple and ultra fast. With the Canva Studio, you can design logos, templates, banners, YouTube thumbnails, and posters, all using AI automation. Someone say, how can I earn with the Canva Magic Studio? You can sell your services on freelancer.com, Simply Hired, or even Behance.com. And the best part, you can sell your designs on Etsy or even Gumroad. Potentially, you can earn from $50 to $100 a day, depending on the number of clients. Use Canva Magic Resize feature to quickly adapt on designs for multiple platforms. Another AI tool that can make you money online in 2025 is called Quillboard. This is a tool that helps you to paraphrase, edit, and rewrite content easily. They offer free version and premium version. So how can I earn money with the Quillboard? You can earn money with the Quillboard by offering proofreading and rewriting services to students. You can also use Quillboard to edit AI-generated content for clients to sound more natural. You can earn anywhere from $30 to $100 depending on the number of clients. Now here is a tip that I personally use. I always combine Grammarly with Quillboard for a professional level content editing. Clients will truly love your polished work. Our next AI tool that is a rising star in image generator is called Leonardo. Leonardo creates stunning, realistic photos and designs from text prompts. With Leonardo AI, you can create, then design, then sell your AI-generated art print on Etsy. Now there are those clients on Fiverr who are always looking for those people who can create book covers for their storybooks. You can offer these book cover services on Fiverr. With Leonardo, you can also create custom character art for gamers. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 if you focus on niche artwork. Here's the tip. Combine Leonardo with Canva for final touches. This gives you professional, sellable visuals. Another AI tool that you can use to make money online is Pictory AI. One of my favorites. It lets you turn text like articles or scripts into full videos. Mose, can I make money online with Pictory AI? Exactly. You can make money with Pictory AI by starting a faceless YouTube channel, or you can offer video creation services to businesses. Let's take an example. If a bank wants to advertise their products and services, you as a freelancer, you can use Pictory AI to create videos for this bank. Again, you can create short form videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 depending on the type of task and the clients. Combine Pictory with ChatGPT for full automation. ChatGPT writes, Pictory edits, then you earn. Now number 9 on our list is Opus Clip, a viral tool for creators. Opus automatically cuts long YouTube videos into short viral videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Mose, can you make money online with Opus Clip? Yes, you can offer video repurposing services, and also you can manage creators' short form content. Now let's take an example. If you are managing 2 to 3 clients a day, you can end up making up to $100 per day, depending on the flow of the tasks. Here is a tip for me. Pair Opus Clip with Pictory and 11 Labs for a full content pipeline. And finally, number 10 is Data Annotation Tech, one of the best platforms for AI remote workers. With Data Annotation Tech, you get paid to train and evaluate AI models. Now you can earn from $25 to $45 per hour on this platform. Your work here is to evaluate and train AI models, correct their answers, reviewing responses, and testing new tools. So join their wait list early, then apply for roles like AI trainer or content evaluator. So these are 10 AI tools that can help you make up to $100 a day. You don't need to chase quick scams or impossible promises. Just pick one tool, learn how it works, and start building your skills and consistency. Because the truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. So if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. I'm Mosewa Mkota and this is Online Money Tech. Remember, the future belongs to those who learn early and act fast. Joshua chapter 1 verses 9, the Bible says, "Have I not commanded you to be strong and of good courage? Be not afraid, neither be you dismayed, for the Lord is with you wherever you go." Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.